I have serious objection to what Meenakshi ji has said, that suddenly she starts calling the name of the officer. But then suddenly he will become a Muslim, suddenly he will become a Yadav, suddenly he will become another guy. Why are you playing this kind of politics? He is the DM, if he has committed a mistake, he will be...
That is the kind of politics...
No, you are saying it so many times.
That is the kind of politics which is being played.
Yeah, that because he is Yadav, he is...
I have been saying it because the data is with me.
Election Commission is there.
The data is with me. Kindly pick up the data and then ask me.
He will definitely be punished.
Then you ask me.
No, but you have got no right to say like this.
These objections have already been taken repeatedly.
Commission is taking a decision. Commission is definitely taking a decision
I have the right to question all that
but why do you bring in Yadav or caste or religion? Why you bring it? That is most unfortunate.
That is the name which it is. That is the name which it is. And that is exactly what people are complaining of in Uttar Pradesh. That is how administration is run.
Are you questioning his motives or his caste?
Correct. Those are the questions that are standing out, Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi and Yatin Ooza.
I am questioning the administration.
No.
That people are.
You have taken the debate to a different paradigm by what you have said here on the news, Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi. And a lot of people here on the panel don't concur with you. They don't concur with you. Please wait on. Sanjay Jha has been patient for quite a while. I'm just going to allow him a quick rebuttal. Yes, Sanjay Jha, please go ahead.
What is communal about it? What is communal about
it? Anand, I just want to make...
Casteist.
I think giving
Meenakshi, just give me a minute, please.
No, they are questioning the caste spin that you have given, Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi, but a quick... Please wait on, gentlemen and the ladies here. Yes, Sanjay Jha.
By religion, all those kind of things.
Yes, Sanjay Jha.
Yeah, Anand, if you follow what Meenakshi started with and where she's ended, she's gone around in circles contradicting herself. And let me tell you, for the BJP, the larger question behind this entire theatrical stunt that they're doing is that declining electoral fortunes. They know that progressively, if Mr. Modi is blatantly playing the communal and caste card, there are serious challenges that have happened for them. They are facing an electoral rout. This is some way to create interest, appear like victims, appear like martyrs, and try and see if
who's routed, who's not. Sanjay Jha will be decided on counting day.
They are trying to insult election commission.
Jha is going to tell me
everyone.
Mr. Jha, the BJP's allegation is exactly the opposite. That it's the other parties that are fearing a rout, which is why these roadblocks are being put. You know, the Samajwadi Party has been sitting very quietly for a few minutes. So, Dr. Gupta, if I can just come back to you. You know, bottom line that's been put forward in Varanasi is that the local intelligence unit, the police report, all these things didn't come through. I asked you this in the beginning, but you dodged the question. You said that there is a report. If there is a report, where is the report? And why didn't it come out on time? When it was the 5th evening, when the BJP had gone ahead, and it's clearly written in black and white, it is the 5th evening when the BJP had requested for these rallies to be given permission. Why is it then that the district magistrate has to come forth and say that we are still awaiting reports from the local intelligence unit, from the police unit? All of this comes directly under the state government. Has there not been some kind of deliberate slowdown in procedure from the state administration?
See, first of all, let me answer Meenakshi, because I didn't like, it's very unfortunate that in the name of a caste or religion, you blame someone and put allegations. Now, once they are not happy with the administration, obviously they have complained the election commission. But that's also unfortunate because neither they believe and trust the election commission nor they trust the fair election process. Otherwise, they would have waited for the election commission and get their answer rather than a particular caste blaming them and putting allegations. It's very unfortunate because a lot of people watch the program and this is the way we say, you know, the communal things come up and you spoil the things out because India people want the development, they don't want the communalism, they want the secular feeling. But this is unfortunate, I again say, that putting the name by the caste doesn't really look nice. And as far as I said, you know, if they were not happy with the administration, as they have complained, they should have waited for the election commission rather than telling them also wrong, the administration also wrong, everyone. When that particular person was working for them, they were happy. Once the things went against them, they were very unhappy. This is a sad story. And
yes,
really,
Meenakshi
if you see,
Dr. Gupta, you made your point.
All the time
we're running out of time, so quick rebuttal, Meenakshi Lekhi.
Only one line. One line, Kathni or Karni mein antar nahi hona chahiye. All the bhashan that Ms. Gupta is giving right now, she should have told Akhilesh Yadav to act accordingly.
That applies to you also, and the BJP also.
Based on caste.
Meenakshi Lekhi, that applies to the BJP also.
Absolutely. Where have they given permission
because
to
the sense one gets is,
on any caste basis,
the sense one gets is that as early as 4:35 this evening, there was feelers coming in that perhaps the permissions will be granted. And by about 7:30 or 8 o'clock, the BJP decides that they're going to withdraw all the applications. So have they decided that the protest route, the dharna route, the caste card, the victim card works better than rally and roadshow? That's the question.
Excuse me.
So are you really walking the talk?
Till 8 o'clock, till 8:30, till 8 o'clock, 8:30, you do not give permission and you want me to have a program tomorrow morning? When is the permission going to be granted? At 12 midnight? And then you want a program at 11 in the morning? What is it? Obviously, I have certain time frame to work and to deliver. Not till 8 o'clock.
When did you apply for the permission?
Why do you apply
within the legal framework. Within the legal framework, I have applied, and that is how permissions are given. I am going to give the permission because I have to apply 2 days or 3 days in advance.
Let me tell you, for the election commission, every political candidate is equal. For the election commission, every political candidate is equal.
Absolutely right.
There's no preferential
so you can't deny me permission because I happen to be BJP and you will wait till 8 o'clock in the evening and not grant me permission.
Works
Exactly.
Ladies and gentlemen, the jury is out on who's right, who's wrong, but there are grey areas on both sides. And it's all going to boil down to what transpires from 11 a.m. onwards on Thursday in Varanasi, whether or not the BJP takes into consideration the returning officer's position or they go ahead with the protest, and what transpires, we'll wait and watch. Thank you very much to everyone, all our panelists, for joining us on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.